Over the past year, Nike has made two things clear: the Air Max 95 remains a core icon, and soccer-inspired design is shaping the brand's lifestyle direction. These priorities come together in the Nike Air Max 95 Total 90 collection, highlighted by the metallic silver and black colorway. This pair blends classic Air Max DNA with strong football heritage, creating a look that feels both retro and modern. The metallic silver and black edition stands out with reflective panels that recall early 2000s performance footwear. Details inspired by the Total 90 era appear throughout, including a circular 95 logo on the tongue and bold Air Max branding on the heel and midsole. The color palette keeps things clean and aggressive, making it easy to wear on the street while still nodding to the pitch. Finishing touches like checkered insoles and globe-inspired graphics reinforce the global soccer influence. While early images surfaced in grade school sizing, adult pairs are confirmed and expected to release as part of Nike's Spring 2026 lineup.